Spoken course is almost over, and now I am feeling bad from my heart. Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. This is Yusuf Hussain before you, and today I am here because I want to discuss or I want to share my feelings with you. And I have chosen a great topic. It's my favorite teacher. When I was my childhood, I had passed a lot of teachers, and lot of teachers teaches me well. But now they are also teaching me, and I can say when I was children or when I was at my primary level, that time I was not too much good at English or at any other topics or studies. So that time my favorite teacher was Mrs. Nilema Khanum. He tried a lot for me. That's why I am here. I wasn't a good student, but from her I became a good student. Yeah, of course I can say. Then I had a lot of teachers like as Mr. Kalam sir, Mr. Shuman sir, and after coming to English Fantasy, I have gotten a great teacher. He is Rifat sir. I have to say something about him. Before coming to English Fantasy, I was able to speak English, but I was not so much able to speak fluently. But after coming English Fantasy in this 45 days, I have improved a lot. Yeah, I can say that I have improved a lot in speaking English. And I want to give credit to my Rifat sir, my mentor, that he has helped me a lot for this level. And I can say when I was coming to English Fantasy, that time I was thinking that is it good, will I be able to speak English or will I be able to learn English properly? But of course after the end, like it is the end because I am in level 3. After some days I will be in level 4, and I think our class will be conducted like as 12 or 15 days. So now I can say, yeah, I have improved a lot. Yeah, I do thank you, Mr. Rifat sir, for helping me. So thank you everyone for being with me, and thank you for listening to my speech carefully and quietly.